What's going on, guys? Dan here. This is going to come to you in the form of a car vlog because this is a last-minute impromptu video, or not a last-minute impromptu video. It's just it's something that I saw last night, and I said I got to make a video about this. And so I just haven't really had time to get in there where I got my sim racing rig and all that stuff and sit down and make a proper video. Sometimes it's just easier for me to make videos like this. So I'm in the car, I'm out running some errands, so I thought I'd take advantage and talk about something I saw yesterday in the racing world, in the racing genre, while I'm in the car with the GoPro. So, I've told you guys before, many years ago, I was a Forza fanboy. I was a huge Forza fan. I did the Gran Turismos, and then once I got an Xbox, I pretty much moved over to Forza, and I stayed with the Forza series for a long time until I made the move over to PC, and even still to this day, I still have Forza Motorsport 7 on Xbox, and I have it on the PC, and I also have Forza Horizon 4, which is their two latest titles, even though Forza 7 seems to be dated now, and we should be seeing, or I would assume we should be seeing the next version of Forza Motorsports, which we're going to assume would be 8 at some point soon. And if you're familiar with Forza, you know they do a 2-year cycle. So pretty much every year they release a new game. One year it's the Horizon series, the next year it's the Motorsport series. Anyways, that's not all. None of that is new news to you guys. Now, I had heard rumors a while back that Turn 10 was working on the development of a mobile game or some kind of mobile app within the Forza Horizon or Forza Motorsports or Horizon or Motorsports series, and it was just kind of a rumor. I never heard anything about it again. Now, I'm not really in the loop with the console stuff right now, but I'm not that far out of the loop where I thought I would completely miss the release of a game. But this goes into what I saw last night. Now, I watch YouTube just like anybody else, and the majority of the stuff that I watch on YouTube is not sim racing or racing game related. I use YouTube for various other things. I do a lot of stuff with YouTube, so a small percentage of what I watch on YouTube is actually sim racing stuff. But because I'm a content creator and my content is dealing with racing, sim racing, stuff like that, they still recommend a lot of sim racing stuff to me, which is fine. And it also, I believe, ties into what kind of advertisements I see. So I was watching a video that was completely unrelated to sim racing or racing games or games in general, and then it had one of those rollout ads kind of in the middle of the video. And it was this ad for this mobile game, and I was half-assed paying attention to it. There's a billion mobile racing games out. In my opinion, they all suck. I mean, they suck. Mobile racing games are terrible, that's my opinion. And I was kind of not paying attention, but then it caught me. I was like, man, I recognize that logo, and it was the Forza logo. And so I was like, wait a minute, so if you click on an ad, it will take, I know no one ever clicks on ads, they always skip the ads as fast as they can, but if you see an ad and you click on it, it will take you most of the time to a YouTube video that is the ad you were watching. And lo and behold, I'm sure you guys have heard of this already because it's been a hot topic in the racing scene since yesterday, I guess. There's this new game just released, a mobile application, a mobile game called Forza Street. And so initially it kind of caught my interest. I'm like, what is this? A mobile game for Forza. It's got to be better than the rest of them. Maybe it will be cool. And I watched it and I was just, my jaw dropped. It looks horrible. Okay, it's pretty clear that they're using the same models that are in the Forza Horizon and Forza Motorsport series, so the cars look great. But everything else looks like very cartoony, flashing lights, like a midnight club kind of thing. And it just looks very similar to all of the other mobile games. So I watched through this trailer or whatever, this announcement trailer, and I was like, oh, this kind of looks bad. So then I obviously YouTubed it. I watched a couple of big YouTubers, you know, gaming YouTubers play it, and pretty much across the board, they're all like, this is fucking terrible. And I'm like, well, you know, I don't even have to play it to know it's going to be terrible. It's a mobile racing game that it sounds like you don't even really have any control over the car, and looks like a cartoon kind of. It just looks really out there, really flashy. And so the whole reason I want to make this video is because I just don't get it. I don't understand why a company as big and as powerful and as popular and well known as Turn 10, I don't know if they're completely behind this game. I haven't looked, but I know a Forza title will have Turn 10 in the description somewhere. They have something to do with it. They've at least given the rights to some other company to use their stuff. But why? I don't get it. Why would you do that? Because you're dropping a very high tier quality product down to a horrible, horrible level, putting it on a mobile platform. And I know mobile gaming and mobile applications make a huge profit, so it's obvious that they're after a money grab. That's what they want. They want to get their hands in the money of the mobile market. But don't create this awful game. I know that anybody who really likes, and there are a lot of people who love the Forza series. I used to be one of them. I still like it pretty good. I play it from time to time. None of those people are going to leave Forza Motorsports and play Forza Street and think that it's a good game. I don't know what market they're after. I mean, I don't get it. The why, that question, the why, I don't understand. What is the reasoning behind that? I don't get it. And I was just thinking about it this morning pretty quickly. If Turn 10 needs to get into that market share, I can understand that. But there are so many better ways. Like, just off the cuff this morning, I was like, well, this would be a better idea. How about you create mobile applications, Turn 10, Forza mobile applications that are basically an app where you can go in and it can be linked to one or the other or both, Forza Motorsport 7, Forza Horizon 4, whichever one you use. It will be linked to your Xbox Live account, just like they do on PC, and you can use that application to go in and customize your cars. You can go in and view your cars, like in the, I forget what they call it, the Auto Vista or whatever it is. So if you're not home on your Xbox playing or on your PC and you're out and about, you can share those cars with your friends. If you're younger, if you're still in school, you can share the cars you've made, you know, via the app. Hey, check out this Skyline I made, or check out this S2000 I made. And you can find ways to incorporate paying for something like that. You probably won't make as much money as you will with a stupid mobile game, because everybody's going to buy it on site and then they're going to play it. It's going to be terrible, and I'm sure you're going to have some kind of paywalls. But you can incorporate those paywalls that you think you need to have. That's just the way the world works. The gaming world has paywalls now. You can incorporate those into something else. I think something like, you know, a mobile Auto Vista or a mobile tuning thing would be better. And that's just one of many things, one of many ways that Turn 10 could incorporate and invest money into a mobile device, mobile game, mobile application that will actually tie to the current games that are good without dropping. I mean, just based on what I've seen, the few videos I've watched and watching the trailer, I memean, you're taking a really high quality product and you're just stabbing it. You're killing it. I don't know, man. I just, let me know what you guys think. And like I said, this was just an off-the-cuff video because I wanted to just give you my thoughts on that. I don't get it. I don't get it. Why? When I asked the question, why are they doing this? I know that the answer is they want to get the revenue from the mobile gaming, the mobile revenue, because it's a huge business. I understand that. But I don't understand why they had to make a completely new game that appears to be, and a lot of valid people have already said, is terrible. So anyways, that's just my thoughts. Let me know what you guys think about that. Are you going to try the game? That's one question I have. And if you are going to try it, why would you? And then if you have tried it, what do you think of it? Because it's just it's really strange to me. I don't get it. I don't understand it. So that's my thoughts on it. So that's, probably not a quick video, but that's my video on Forza Street, which I think is going to be a disaster. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. As always, thanks so much for watching. I'll talk with you guys in the next video. We'll see you later.